Hey everyone, it's Shane, Rising Grind Picker here, and I'm here to help you make money and save money. And today I got a great video about Whatnot and potentially how they're like sellers are breaking the law in a lot of states. And this, I just read up on the law because I am becoming a licensed auctioneer. And listen, internet auctions, there's laws, okay? Stay tuned to this video, all right? It's going to be a bumdinger. Humdinger, however you say that. So Whatnot's actually breaking the law in some states, and I'm going to explain that to you right now. If you follow this channel or have been following it for a while, you would know as I have went to auctioneer school. I went to the Missouri School of Auction, and I am currently studying to take the test to become licensed to be an auctioneer in the state of Illinois. Now, other states have licensing and some don't. Currently the states that actually, so basically I have to take an exam. So I have to go to auctioneer school and I have to complete that, which I did in Missouri School of Auction. Then I have to take an exam and pass it, pay $500 and get my auctioneer license, okay? And the states that require an auctioneer license is Kentucky, Alabama, Ohio, Tennessee, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Georgia, North Carolina, Texas, Mississippi, Florida, South Carolina, Illinois, Louisiana, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Indiana, Virginia, Arkansas, Wisconsin, and a few others potentially getting on the bandwagon. Also, Texas requires one. So I would say most states require, a majority of the states require an auctioneer license. Texas is actually the most, like there are more requirements to meet in Texas than any other state for an auctioneer license. So I hate to be the bearer of bad news and bring this up, but Whatnot is actually breaking the law in most of those states, if not all of those states, or some of those states. Now, let me tell you, you need to just stick around because what I'm going to tell you is going to blow your freaking mind. Is in Texas, internet auctions are exempt from the law requiring a license unless there's a live bid component to the auction. Illinois is the same way. So I cannot even do an eBay auction without an auctioneer's license. Now, are they going to come track me down for 1 or 2 or 3 or 4? No. But if you're a $500,000 seller on Whatnot, they might come after you, dude. Like, think about it. They're going to figure it out. And these states are going to start coming after the sellers. Not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying it's possible because it is illegal, okay, in these states to conduct auctions live on the internet if you are not licensed as an auctioneer. Now you have some states that they have reciprocity, which means that, I guess, since I'm licensed, so I took the long course in auctioneer school, which means I took the long course for all the states. So when I get licensed in Illinois, then I can also take some extra classes and go through a little less and get licensed in states like Texas, Alabama, and other places like that. Believe it or not, I'm actually starting an auction company. So I sell full-time on eBay right now, and I am full-time on eBay with over 5,000 items in my store. Link to my eBay store down below in the messages, because if you need something from there, buy it instead of going to Walmart, right? Like, come on. So now here's the state of Illinois, which all these states, okay, with these auction, if you have to have an auction license to be an auctioneer, okay, these states have these laws. So Whatnot is kind of like, I don't know how they're getting around it, but this is the law, okay? Right here, okay? Any person, corporation, limited liability company, partnership, or entity that provides an internet auction listing service in the state of Illinois for compensation under any circumstances listed in subsection shall register with the OBRE on forms and be a licensed auctioneer, okay? So if you are a seller, LLC, just a private entity or anything, the internet auction listings or using an internet auction listing service, okay? And if you are located in the state of Illinois, sole proprietor, whatever you are, you have to be licensed to have that auction. So this could get hairy because this new this new era of online auction stuff is all new. So it's like I'm going to be licensed and I'm probably going to start doing whatnot, but I'm going to do it from estate sales and stuff like that because I'm going to be doing estate sales as an auctioneer. Okay. I'll be doing estate auctions, stuff like that, farm auctions. This is where it gets tricky for whatnot, folks.